Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the best beauty products and uncover the truth behind them. If you've been on the lookout for a powerful anti-aging night cream that works while you sleep, today's review might just be for you. We're taking a closer look at the RoC Retinol Correxion Deep Wrinkle Anti-Aging Night Cream, a product that promises to deliver visible results and give your skin a refreshed, youthful appearance. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This product is designed as a deep wrinkle night cream with a unique blend of retinol, glycerin, shea butter, glycolic acid, and squalane. The cream is formulated to work overnight when your skin is believed to be most receptive to treatments. It claims to reduce the appearance of deep wrinkles, firm the skin, and promote smoother, more radiant skin. The formula itself is powered by retinol, a well-known powerhouse ingredient in anti-aging skincare. Retinol works by accelerating cell turnover, which helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Along with this, glycolic acid works to exfoliate the skin, and shea butter and squalane provide intense hydration, leaving the skin feeling nourished and soft. For anyone familiar with anti-aging skincare, these ingredients are staples, and it's clear that RoC is focused on effective, science-backed formulas. Real-world testing and experience. I tested this night cream for several weeks as part of my evening routine, and I must say, it's a product that fits seamlessly into a skincare regimen. The texture of the cream is rich, but it's surprisingly lightweight, absorbing into the skin without leaving any greasy residue. It's easy to apply, and a little goes a long way. The first thing I noticed after incorporating it into my routine was how hydrated my skin felt in the morning. Despite its powerful anti-aging ingredients, it didn't leave my skin feeling tight or dry. In fact, it felt plump and well moisturized, something that can be a concern with some retinol products that are too harsh on the skin. I also appreciate that this product is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores, which is important for anyone prone to breakouts. Over time, I saw a subtle reduction in the appearance of fine lines and a noticeable improvement in the overall smoothness of my skin. While deep wrinkles take time to diminish, I did notice that my skin looked more lifted and firm after a few weeks. Pros and cons. Let's talk about what I loved and what could be improved with the RoC Retinol Correxion Night Cream. Pros. Hydrating formula that balances powerful retinol with nourishing ingredients like shea butter and squalane, non-greasy and non-comedogenic, so it's suitable for all skin types, even those prone to breakouts. Visible improvement in skin smoothness and a more radiant complexion over time. Gentle enough for daily use, despite containing potent retinol. Offers a clinical-level anti-aging effect without the irritation some retinol products can cause. Cons. The retinol concentration might be too strong for sensitive skin, especially for beginners, so it's best to introduce it slowly. Some people may prefer a larger size, as the mini size 0.5 ounce may not last long with nightly use, though it's great for those who want to test the product first. Scent. It's not particularly strong, but it may not be to everyone's liking. Value for money. At its price point, RoC Retinol Correxion Night Cream offers a solid value for its effectiveness. Given that it targets deep wrinkles, fine lines, and overall skin texture, I believe the price is justified by the high-quality ingredients and proven results. If you're looking for a professional-grade retinol product without spending a fortune, this is a great option. Comparisons. If you're familiar with other retinol products on the market, RoC stands out for its clinical backing and long track record in delivering visible anti-aging results. Compared to higher-end brands, RoC provides similar benefits but at a more affordable price. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative to luxury retinol treatments like SkinCeuticals or Dr. Dennis Gross, this could be your go-to. Build quality and longevity. The packaging is simple but functional. It comes in a sturdy jar that protects the formula from light exposure, which is crucial for maintaining the potency of retinol. While it's a smaller size, I found that a little product goes a long way, so the 0.5 ounce jar lasts a while with nightly use. As for longevity, the cream shows consistent results after a few weeks of use, with no major issues with irritation or sensitivity. Final verdict. So, does the RoC Retinol Correxion Deep Wrinkle Anti-Aging Night Cream live up to its claims? Absolutely. It's a well-formulated, effective product that delivers results, especially for those looking to tackle wrinkles, skin texture, and overall skin health. I would recommend this to anyone who wants a gentle, daily-use retinol with visible results. But especially for those with normal to dry skin who need hydration along with anti-aging benefits. Mid-review call to action. If this review has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified when we post more honest beauty reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you real and unfiltered reviews. End of video engagement. Thanks for watching today's review on Beautyistic. If you've tried this night cream, leave a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experiences. And if you're interested in purchasing this product, you can find the link in the description box below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.